Okay, please watch this example 3.1.3, finding mean and median using technology. Suppose a vet wants to find the median weight of cakes. The weights in pounds of 6 cakes are in example 3.1.4. Find the median. And here we use the similar way. Here is use technology, means use the R, the language, the R software. But we use Google Office. That's easier. Okay. We don't need to remember those comments. Okay, and next, example 3.1.1, effect of extreme values on the mean and median. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values of cake weight, and now we have extreme value, very big or very small, that may affect the mean and average. And example 3.1.6 contains 6 cakes weight in pounds here. Please find the mean and the median. Okay, let me stop here. Please do this thing like me. Yep, I hope you can turn on the software and like this way. 8.6.8 plus 7.5 plus 8.2 plus 8.2 plus 9.4 plus 22.1, that equals 62.2, then divided by 6. Thus, the average is 10.3666. Yeah, round up to the 2 decimals, that would be 10.37. Okay, please do this one. 1 minute, please. Do you know any calculator software on your computer? Yeah. Or you can use this one. Google, you can use Google Translator, calculator. Sorry, not a translator, it's calculator. And I hope this moment you can type it by your own, like this one. .8 plus 7.5 plus 8.2 plus 8.2 plus 9.4 plus 22.1. Right, okay. Then click answer. That is 62.2. Then divided by 6. Then answer like this one. 10.37. Okay, 1 minute, please follow this way. Okay, and next. Okay, the data is already in order from small to large. Thus, the median is between the second one and the third one and the fourth one. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And we just got the average of these two gentlemen, 8.2 plus 8.2, and got the average. That's also 8.2. Okay, that's the median. And next, this mean is much larger than the median. Why? Well, because previously, the median is 7.85. Because the less digit, the less the Kate, that is 9.4. But it has been replaced to 22.1, very big fat Kate, beta Kate. Okay, and now the other numbers are the same, and this change will affect the whole average or average. That is one. The average increased, and the median is increased a little bit, but the mean is much higher than the median. Why this? Notice that when the value of 22.1 was added, the mean went from 8.02 to 10.37, but the median did not change at all. This is because the median is affected by extreme numbers. Okay, the mean is affected by extreme numbers or values, while the median is not. Again, what the definition of that? In a sorted data, the middle point, the value of the middle point, that is the median. Okay, did not change it at all. This is because the mean is affected by extreme numbers. When there's not, there's very heavy cat brought the mean went up. In this case, the median is much better measure of the center. The median is a much better center. Okay, then an outlier. What is outlier? There's a strange point, the strange value that is not in the big value of it, and that's very different from the rest of the data. Very small, very big, very small, very big. It can be really high or really low. Extreme values may be an outlier if the extreme value is far enough from the center. In example 3.1.4, the data value 22.1 pounds is an extreme value, and it may be an outlier. Okay, let's move. And now, to understand how different the measures of the center related to the skewed or symmetric distributions, let's see this figure. And as you can see, sometimes the mean is smaller than the median in a mode. Again, like this one, the mean is smaller than the median and mode. Sometimes the mean is larger than the median and mode, like the skewed right here. The mode, the frequency is largest frequency here, mode, median, and mean, and sometimes the mean is larger than the median and the mode. Sometimes they are the same. In the symmetric distribution, mean, median, and mode are the same, like this way, very close to normal distribution. Okay, I will be quiet for 30 seconds. Please read this information. Okay, and next. And now definition 3.1.3, weighted average. Weighted average. The formula is summation of x times w divided by summation of w, where w is the weight of the data value x. Okay. Okay, well, maybe we can have one example is okay. And okay, and example 3.1.5, weighted average. If in your biology class, your final grade is based on the several things: a level course, the level scores on 2 major tests, and your scores on the final exam. There are 100 points available for each score, and the level score is worth 15% of the course. The 2 exams are worth 25% of the course each, and final exam is worth 35% of the course. Wow, it's very heavy, very heavy. Suppose you earn the course of 95 on the labs, 83 and 76 on 2 exams, and 84 on the final exam. Compute your weighted average for the course. Wow, okay. And now we know that let's go. The proportion is 15%. 15%, thus 15%, that's 0.10, sorry, 0.15. The score is 95. Score is 95. And the other one, the 2 exams, 2 major tests, the student got 83, 60, 76, and the proportion is 0.25, 83 times 0.25, 76 times 0.25, and the final exam, the student got 84. The proportion is 35%. So we can get this. Then after the calculation, the denominator is 0.15, 0.25, 0.25, and 0.35. Thus, the denominator, that is 1.00. In the numerator, that the summation is 83.4. Okay, in the end, the student got the final score in the semester is 83.4. Is it okay? And this one, I think you are smart enough. You can calculate by yourself. Let's move on to the next question. And this one, okay, I think I can skip this. Very similar, very similar. Okay, here's a homework. Cancer rolls were collected from the patients 2 days after they had a heart attack, and the real data is from 1985. Are in example 3.1.7. Find the mean, median, and mode. Find the mean, median, and mode. Okay, please do this part. 1 minute, then we can finish this. Move to next. Please find the real data here, the mean, the median, and mode. Sure, I know how to do that. Please find the mean, median, and mode and copy paste the information to the AI. Okay, I don't encourage you to do that. Okay, and let me show you how to do this. First of all, okay, copy the homework 3.1 exercise. Okay, and I plan to have a new worksheet. Okay, then I can paste the information here. Okay, and I have an easy way to do this. For example, I can Control C to cut, to paste, 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 to cut, to paste. Okay, okay, and now the question: what is the mean, median, and mode? Mean, median, mode. There are several ways to get this answer. For example, we can select the whole range. Okay, here. Mean. There are two ways. First way, here equals, click equal, weird, okay, and select insert function, function, average, okay, and from here to here, and click enter. Okay, the average of this one, that's 38.2. That's one way. The other way, you can use this one. For example, here, how many numbers are here? We can find them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 4, that is 28. 28 samples. 28 samples. Yeah, you can find the sum. For example, the sum. And here, type equal sum, a parentheses, select this one, and click enter. So the sum of 28 values is 7110, and here you can calculate divided by 28. Oh, why? Oh, I'm sorry. This one should be okay. Why I got this one? Average 38. You're right. A9 to A. Sorry, average deviation. So I'm sorry. Average. That should be this. Sorry, I used the wrong function. The average and select the range, and we got this. Or we can calculate sum and divide it by the total number, that's 28, and got this one. And next, please find the median. The median, okay, and sure, there's one way. We know there are 28. It's an even number. Even number. Oh, okay, sorry. Let me move it here. Control V. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, there are 28. We know the half of the 28, that is 14. That is 14. And the other one, that is 15. Thus, these two are the middle point. What we need to do, just get the average of this one. The average of this one, we can calculate. Equals 186 plus 224, then over 2. Okay, so we got the midpoint. The median is 205. 205, this one. Again, we got the median, that's 205. And then, what is the mode? What is the mode? Mode, the definition is it appears with the highest frequency. Let's check. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't. Sorry. I forgot to say. I'm sorry there. Select orange, better, and sort from A to Z. Okay. From A to Z, there are 18 samples, and the middle point, that's 14. And 15. And the average, the median, okay, and now we can get it equals 266 plus 270. Okay, what's wrong? Divided by 2. Okay, so the median is 268. 268. Okay, and now what's the mode? What's the mode? Once, twice. Have a note here. Once. Twice. Let me change it to a different color. Okay, so we can see the mode 288, 282, 280, and 260. Sorry, 236. 236. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of mode. 4 sets of mode. Okay, we got it. Threshold level. Do we have an answer here? No? Okay, no answer here. Okay, and that's my question. Okay, please do this part in 3 minutes. Can you do that? Okay, copy this one and paste to the Google Office and rearrange the data and sort the data. Then we can find the mean, median, and mode easily. Okay, 3 minutes. Let's go ahead. If you got stuck, please let me know. Questions? Sure. In the future, I will share some websites. Just one click, you can find all information you need. You can find the mean, median, mode, the number, standard deviation, and the quartile, 25% median and 75% quartile. Everything you can find, but not now. Not now. Okay. How about have a 5-minute break, and I will take a break, and I will not leave this classroom. If you want to drink water or have the restroom, just go ahead. 5 minutes after now, we will come back to the class. Okay, 5-minute break, just 5 minutes.